And for day 9 of the LEGO Star Wars Advent Calendar 2023, we have the Single Trooper Aerial Platform, or more simply STAP. This was designed by the Trade Federation engineers and made by the Bactoid Armour Workshop. Similar to the civilian air hooks, the STAP was re-engineered for greater performance and reliability, and they were purposely built to be piloted by the B1 series Battle Droid, as their human frames were more suited to control the vehicles. Slim and lightweight, the tiny repulsive craft was fueled by high voltage energy cells which powered the drive turbines, providing the STAP with a very impressive speed and manoeuvrability. However, the battle droids were exposed to enemy fire when riding these fragile craft. The vehicles were armed with a pair of oh, that blooming phone. Back in a mo.
Squad, work fast.
What the? I'm gone for 30 seconds. Oh well, where was I? The vehicles were armed with a pair of forward-mounted blaster cannons, which often malfunctioned.